Hello everyone, welcome to Eastman World. Proper maintenance and handling of Eastman Tubular Battery are essential for optimal performance and longevity. Let's take a look at the essential do's and don'ts of a tubular battery care. First, let's cover the do's for proper battery care. Always apply petroleum jelly to battery terminals and clean the battery with a dry cotton cloth to avoid corrosion. Ensure the fasteners are tightened properly and always use plain and spring washers to keep everything secure. Keep your battery in a well-ventilated area for optimal cooling and safety. Avoid placing tools near the battery terminal to prevent accidental short circuits. When connecting batteries in series or parallel, ensure the same model and capacity are used to maintain system integrity. Always use a sine wave inverter with flexible charging settings to protect your battery and ensure smooth operations. Always keep the inverter settings at the ideal configuration for efficient power management. Make sure the distance between the inverter and the battery is no more than 1 meter to ensure safe operations. Always use insulated tools when connecting and installing the battery to avoid electric shock. Now, let's look at the key things to avoid when handling your tubular battery. Never try to open the vent plug. This can be dangerous and affect the battery's performance. No loose connections are allowed. Always ensure the terminals are properly secured. Avoid discharging the battery below 10.8 volts to prevent damage and reduce the battery life. Never add DM water or acid to your battery. It could cause permanent damage. Avoid placing washers between the terminal and its connection, as this can create resistance and affect the performance. Lastly, never discharge your battery more than 80% to prevent over-discharging and extend its life. By following these simple do's and don'ts, you will ensure that your tubular battery performs at its best and lasts longer. Remember, safe handling is the key to reliable power. For more such tips, visit our website or contact our support team.
Eastman. Energy Unlimited.